Hello and welcome everyone to the Gold and Silver Club Week Ahead Commodity Report, the non-members edition for the 15th to the 19th of August 2016, presented by myself, Phil Carr, at the Gold and Silver Club. Today we will be analysing the latest developments in the commodity markets. We will be discussing our outlook for the week ahead. The live session will be covering commodity insights, so a snapshot of the latest developments, market watch list, our featured commodity this week, and our portfolio performance, so our trading performance update using our exclusive research-driven strategies. Let me introduce you to the Gold and Silver Club. The Gold and Silver Club is the #1 commodities trading and investment coaching company. We are regarded as the go-to authority on commodities trading, and as internationally respected experts, our analysis and our opinions on the metals, the energies and the agricultural markets, they are routinely sought by major financial television channels and publications, which include Bloomberg, Reuters, CNBC, the Financial Times, the Wall Street Journal, to name a few. Our team of experts has trained and mentored over 100,000 private traders from all over the world to increase their wealth and generate substantial income through commodities using our exclusive research-driven strategies. So for more information on the Gold and Silver Club and our expertise, please visit our website at www.thegoldandsilverclub.com. Commodity Insights, a snapshot of the latest developments. We have continued to see significant inflows into crude oil over the last week. The bullish oil sentiment has hit its highest level since 2006. We've continued to see breakouts over the course of last week, and in fact, as we go into the Monday close today, we've yet again seen another significant breakout. Investors continue increasing bullish bets on oil. We have seen combined WTI and Brent net long positions jump to 389,096 lots last week. We've also seen open interest soar to the highest level in 10 years since hitting 12-year lows of 26 and 5 cents a barrel earlier on this year. Crude oil prices have now surged over 75% so far this year. So over the course of the first 6 months this year, we had the first run up in the bull market for oil, where it transitioned from a bear market, breaking down to 12-year lows over the course of January, which is where we hit the low of $26 a barrel. Since then, we bottomed out. We moved into a bull market over the first 2 quarters of 2016, and we've then had a corrective move over the last 2.5 months. But yet again, we've never had just one leg up in a bull market for crude oil, which means that we are very likely to take out the 2016 highs on this run up higher. And we have been getting a lot of questions on oil. The most frequent question that we get is when you should enter into this trade. Well, the good news is, definitely if you've been on the sidelines and you've missed a lot of the trading opportunities over the last quarter, then now is definitely the right time to take action and learn how to position yourself to generate substantial gains over the months ahead. We've been talking about the recent corrections, that there's going to be another opportunity to get into markets like oil, gold, silver, sugar, coffee, and I can tell you right now is an optimum time to get into these markets. We are at a critical level for gold, for silver, for sugar, for a number of markets, and for oil as well, where they've got significant upside potential over the rest of the year. Over the next 5 months, we could see some explosive moves. And again, if you would like to find out more how to get access to all of the trades that we take at the Gold and Silver Club and get access to all of the services that we provide, make sure you stay on till the end of today's report, and we will talk you through that step by step and how you can actually become a member of the Gold and Silver Club. So to give you a little bit more color on oil and where oil is sitting in the context of the move so far in 2016, the move that we saw last week has been the best weekly performance on oil since April of this year. We've seen oil rally over 14% in just 1 week. And this is exactly what we mean by right now being the optimum opportunity to get into commodities, because these sort of moves have been frequent over 2016. Commodities, their typical moves are they will consolidate and then they will suddenly have big runaway moves just within a few days. And if you haven't positioned yourself correctly to take advantage of those moves, you can very quickly find yourself trying to play catch up and not ever able to get into that position. Crude oil has been a perfect example of that. We highlighted $40 as the ultimate buying opportunity. Our research pointed to that major level where we came down to the 50% correction following on from the highs that we reached over the month of June and the lows that we reached over the month of January. We had exactly a retracement of 50%, which provided a perfect opportunity to get back into this trade, and it has played out exactly as predicted. And in fact, it's not just oil which has had a significant gain over the last week. We've seen tremendous inflows into the metals as well. In fact, palladium broke out significantly last week. We covered this in last week's report, where palladium broke out by 7% in one day to its 14-month highs. We've also seen increased investment demand for platinum. Platinum net longs moved to record highs, driving prices up 27% this year. Silver is up 46% and gold is up 26%. Platinum has eclipsed gold's performance now, and it's on track to outperform the yellow metal this year. So we continue to see great opportunities on not only the energies, not only the softs and the agricultural markets, but of course the metals as well. We continue to see August marking a very lucrative period within the commodity markets, which is giving you a window of opportunity right now to get into these positions and benefit from the big moves that we are going to see as we transition into the most profitable time of year when traders come back from their holidays. Volumes start to move significantly from September through to December. This is going to mark an incredibly lucrative time of year. So there are going to be some great opportunities ahead if you know what you are doing, which of course is what we help you with step by step at the Gold and Silver Club. We walk you through every single trade. Commodity watch list, our featured commodity this week. Our top commodity that you want to have on your watch list as we head into this week is going to be sugar. Now, we've seen some really big moves over the last week in energies and also in metals, but this week we have started to see some really interesting developments on the softs, and in particular sugar has really maintained, you can see here, a very strong channel throughout the last quarter. And it's very important to note where we are sat in the context of sugar's move so far this year. Sugar is up 29%. It's the best performing agricultural commodity at the moment. We've continued to see breakouts over 4-year highs we've achieved on sugar over the last 3 months, and sugar is getting very close yet again to breaking out above those highs. We could be on track for yet again breaking above the 2016 highs, and this is going to provide a very lucrative opportunity. From a technical point of view, we've continued to find underlying support at a very key trend channel. We've also continued to create higher lows in the chart, higher highs in the chart, and currently we are at a point where sugar could really lift off and build up momentum to the upside over the course of this week. If you would like to find out how to take this trade on and similar positions, do make sure you stay on towards the end of today's report, and we will provide you with everything that you need to know in order to become a member of the Gold and Silver Club. Portfolio performance. Trading performance update using our exclusive research-driven strategies. So today we've had another breakout move on Brent crude oil. We've continued to follow through in what is known as a three white soldiers pattern here, where we've had 3 consecutive days of solid gains. And in fact, today, over the course of the US session, you can see here we've actually come up and hit our swing trade profit target spot on for 515 points on Brent crude oil. A trade setup that we've been discussing, and we've discussed our research with you over the last few weeks of our reports, where we've ultimately reached a bottom in price over the last couple of weeks here for Brent and also light sweet crude oil, and that has provided a perfect opportunity to go long these markets. We also benefited from a 475 point trade on light sweet crude oil, or WTI crude oil, last week, where we came up and hit our profit target just on Friday. So taking advantage of both of these moves has been incredibly lucrative. Would you like access to highly profitable live trading ideas shared with you, ready to implement for instant results? Whether you're a new trader looking to develop a solid understanding of the markets and fast track your results, or even if you're an experienced trader but you really want to take your trading to that next level, then the private members live trading room, it's definitely for you. Private members get access to exclusive live trading room webinars. You can watch the Gold and Silver Club expert traders analyze the commodity markets right in front of you, pick out highly profitable trade setups, and share exact entry, exit points, profit, and stop loss targets, as well as walk you through live trade ideas ready to implement for instant results. You also get access to our trade notifications by email and SMS. So real-time trade notifications alerting you when to enter a trade. All notifications include exact details of where to enter, exit, place your stop loss. All trade notifications are sent out in advance notice to ensure you have plenty of time to get into every single position at the best possible price for maximizing your profits. You also get exclusive access to our proprietary trading research and market insights to help you boost your win rate and ensure you're on the right side of every trade. Our trading research is guaranteed to give you the ultimate edge in the commodity markets and fast track your results. The private members live trading room includes exclusive weekly live trading room webinars. You get live trade setups ready to implement for instant results, real-time trade notifications by email and SMS so you never miss a profitable trade, exact details of where to enter, exit, place a stop loss on every single setup, weekly trading plan with a watch list of trade ideas for the week ahead, live trade setups to help you successfully through every single trade, institutional level trading research, and commodity insights to give you the ultimate edge in the markets. To get exclusive access to our private members live trading room, please go to www.jointhegoldandsilverclub.com. Complete the application form and we will get in touch with you ASAP. So with that, I wish you all a fantastic week, good trading, and of course, we very much look forward to working with those of you who will be making an application and joining us at the Gold and Silver Club.